First of all, for having me here and for allowing me to be part of this incredible panel here. I'm certainly the worst qualified to say to anyone here what he could learn from football, but I would add a fifth point to the 4-point Ray mentioned, which is football. Football is something magic, and after my new spokesperson, His Excellency Eddie Rama, has already mentioned and debated so clearly and eloquently about football, there is not so much I can add. But still, I can add a couple of things. Because if you look at this, this is, looks like a ball, right? Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feels like a ball too, yeah.
But look, pass it, yeah, pass it over, pass it over. Huh? You see,